This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll do the analysis from the 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame. We'll be looking at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for all the time frames. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. Today is Wednesday, June 1st, and when we look at the event calendar for today, mostly we have low impacting news. At 7 AM we have high impacting news for Australian dollar. Then as we scroll down, at 4:30 PM we have medium impacting news for euro currency pairs. Then at 7:30 PM we have high impacting news coming up for Canadian dollar, US dollar. Then at 10:30 PM we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So plan your trade entries and exit based on this economic calendar event schedules. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the overall trend of the price action from the 4 hours time frame, I'm drawing a resistance line over here. From this level, the price action started falling on a bearish trend. So we know that it went down, again retraced and tested this resistance level. Again it is on a retracement, and currently again we are noticing the price action to retrace from this support level. Whether it is going to retest this resistance level or whether the downtrend is going to continue or not, we have to analyze the current trend of the price action. And when we analyze the lower level supports, I am drawing a channel pattern from this level. I am taking the lower level supports. So from this line, when we look at the price action, all the price action are happening above this support line. So currently the price action is in a bullish trend. Although we are noticing the price action to retrace to this level, it has not broken this trend line or the support line. And when we closely analyze the current price action, let us mark the support and resistance levels. Here we can draw one more trend line. So currently the price action is respecting only this resistance line. It has not broken this resistance line, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend. So within this price action, when we mark the resistance and support levels, so we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this level, and we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this level in the past. Again, this level is also going to be acting as a very strong support. So these are all the current resistance and support levels for the price action in 4 hours time frame. When we look at the left hand side of this support and resistance level, it is very clear that this level had acted as a very strong support levels in the past, and this level had acted as a very strong resistance level also. And current price action is trying to break this support zone over here, which is around 1831. So currently when we notice the price action, it is trading between this resistance level of 1868 and support level of 1831, and it has tested this resistance level and it is on a retracement to retest this support level. Wait for it to bounce back from this support level. Next level of resistance is going to be 1868. It has to break this resistance line from the past price action also in order to continue its bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. When we analyze a price action in hourly time frame also, I am drawing a support line or a trend line. When we look at the price action from this support line, it has broken this support line and it is on a very strong bearish trend. Wait for the price action to take support on the higher time frame support level of 1831 and to bounce back on the bullish side. If the price action bounces back, next level of resistance is going to be the 4 hours time frame resistance line, and if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to retest on the higher time frame resistance level of 1868. And if the price action breaks this support level, we have lots of support levels on the downside also. So presently I will request you to wait for the price action to give a proper trend, whether the bearish trend is going to continue or whether it is going to bounce back from this support level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1839 and support level of 1832, and currently it is in a bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, previously the price action was in a downtrend. Wait for the price action to bounce back from this higher time frame support level of 1832 on the bullish side, based on which you can take trades on the bullish side. But the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal will come only when it breaks this resistance line. So if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be the 4 hours time frame resistance line. And if the price action still continues on the bullish trend, next level of resistance is going to be the 1868 from the higher time frame. So we have lots of resistance levels on the bullish side, and we have lots of support levels on the bearish side also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to lose its bearish trend and consolidating. Wait for the price action to bounce back from this support level in order to take a directional trade on the bullish side. If the price action breaks this support line, you can take trades on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I am drawing one more support line over here. So according to this support line, we are noticing the price action to be trending on the bearish side. The price action has not retraced to the bullish side. Wait for the price action to bounce back from this support level or to break this support level to take a directional trade. So currently the price action in 5 minutes time frame is in a bearish side, trading within this resistance and support levels. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the 5 minutes time frame to take trades on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.